आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे पार्ट 7 ऑफ माइक्रोबायोलॉजी एमसीक्यूज़ जो कि डिफरेंट कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट हैं। लिहाजा अपने इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट से लेकर एंड तक पूरी तवज्जो के साथ देखना है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 193, कॉलेरा वैक्सीन गिव प्रोटेक्शन फॉर 1 to 3 month, 3 to 6 month, 6 to 9 month, 9 to 12 months. So correct answer is option B. Cholera vaccine provide protection up to 3 to 6 months. Question number 194, prophylaxis of cholera is protected water supply, environmental sanitation, immunization with killed vaccine, all of these. So correct answer is option D. Prophylaxis or treatment of cholera is protected water supply, environmental sanitation, and immunization with killed vaccine. Question number 195, Shigella dysentery is also known as Shigella shiga, Shigella shimti, or both A and B, Shigella paradysentery. So correct answer is option C. Shigella dysentery is also known as Shigella shiga and Shigella shimti. Question number 196, acid fast bacteria are Neisseria, Staphylococci, Mycobacteria, all of the above. So correct answer is option C. Acid fast bacteria is Mycobacteria. Acid fastness is the ability of a bacteria to resist the decolorization during staining process. Question number 197, Mycobacteria are stained with gram staining, simple staining, both A and B, Ziehl-Neelsen staining. So correct answer is option D. Mycobacteria are stained with Ziehl-Neelsen staining. Question number 198, niacin test is positive in case of Corynebacterium, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, Mycobacterium bovis, Mycobacterium avium. So correct answer is option B. Niacin test is used to detect niacin or nicotinic acid in case of Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Question number 199, lepromin test is negative in tubercular leprosy, positive in lepromatous type, or indicated delayed hypersensitivity test, or it indicates infection. So correct answer is option C. Lepromin test indicates the delayed hypersensitivity of T cells lymphocytes. Question number 200, Streptococcus forms cause which type of infection? Fever, zoonotic, pyogenic, none of these. So correct answer is option A. Fever is the most common infection caused by Streptococcus forms. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। Question number 201, Streptococcus pyogenes classification is based on protein M, protein T, protein R, polysaccharide C. So correct answer is option A. Streptococcus pyogene is a gram-positive bacteria and its classification is based on M protein. Question number 202, alpha hemolytic streptococci are also known as Streptococcus pyogenes, virulence group, viridans group, none of these. So correct answer is option A. Alpha hemolytic streptococci are also known as Streptococcus genes. Question number 203, streptolysin O is inactivated by carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen, serum. So correct answer is option C. Streptolysin O is inactivated by oxygen. Question number 204, streptolysin S is oxygen unstable, thermostable, oxygen stable, none of these. So correct answer is option C. Streptolysin S is oxygen stable and it is not activated in presence of oxygen. Question number 205, influenza virus is identified by using hemagglutinin inhibition test, tissue culture method, embryonated eggs, plaque formation. So correct answer is option A. Hemagglutinin inhibition test is used to identify the influenza वायरस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। क्वेश्चन नंबर 206, द ग्रोथ ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंजा वायरस इज आइडेंटिफाइड बाय साइटोपैथिक इफेक्ट्स, HeLa cells, both A and B, none of these. So correct answer is option B. HeLa or HeLa cells is one of the most common cell line that is used in scientific research, and it is used to identify the growth of influenza virus in case of humans. Question number 207. Glutamic acid is oxidized by the species except Bacillus aeroboretus or Bacillus meliniasis or Bacillus zoeacis or Bacillus canis. So correct answer is option D. Bacillus canis cannot oxidize the glutamic acid. Question number 208. Prozone phenomenon is encountered in a typical mycobacteria in Brucella, Streptococcus, Bordetella pertussis. So correct answer is option B. Prozone phenomenon is observed in Brucella bacteria, that is a gram-negative bacteria. Question number 209. One of the following, this is a capsulated organism: Bacillus anthracis, Escherichia coli, Corynebacterium, or Brucella. So correct answer is option A. Bacillus anthracis is a capsulated bacteria. Question number 210. Anthrax is a vector-borne zoonotic infection, wound-borne, soil-borne. So correct answer is option B. Anthrax is a zoonotic infection, mostly occur in animals and caused by bacteria Bacillus anthracis. Question number 211. McFadden reaction is used to detect Bacillus anthracis, Brucella, Corynebacterium, none of these. So correct answer is option A. McFadden reaction is used to detect the Bacillus anthracis. Question number 212. Gas gangrene bacillus is facultative anaerobe, obligate anaerobe, facultative aerobe, obligate aerobe. So correct answer is option B. Gas gangrene is caused by Bacillus clostridium, that is obligate anaerobic bacteria. Question number 213. Coagulase test is used for Salmonella, Staphylococcus, Bordetella, or Pneumococcus. So correct answer is option B. Coagulase test is used for Staphylococcus aureus. Question number 214. HIV is belonging to Retroviridae, Rhabdoviridae, Togaviridae, Paramyxoviridae. So correct answer is option A. HIV virus belongs to Retroviridae family. Question number 215. Special feature of retroviruses is reverse transcriptase, RNA directed DNA polymerases, both A and B boils. So correct answer is option C. Retroviruses have enzyme reverse transcriptase, that is RNA directed DNA polymerase. Question number 216. AIDS virus is RNA virus, DNA virus, retrovirus, enterovirus. So correct answer is option C. AIDS virus is RNA type of retroviruses. Question number 218. Which of the following organism is most commonly associated with AIDS pneumonia? Klebsiella or Streptococcus pneumonia or Mycoplasma, Mycobacterium tuberculosis. So correct answer is option B. Streptococcus pneumoniae causes pneumonia in AIDS infected patient. Question number 219. Seroconservation in HIV infection takes place in 3 weeks, 6 weeks, 9 weeks, 12 weeks. So correct answer is option C. Seroconservation is the production of specific antibody within the blood serum, and in case of HIV infection it took place in 9 weeks. Question number 220. Following is the marker of HIV infection in the blood: reverse transcriptase, DNA polymerase, RNA polymerase, none of these. So correct answer is option A. Reverse transcriptase enzyme is the marker of HIV infection within the blood. Question number 221. Which of the following is most specific in diagnosis of AIDS? IHA, Western blot, ELISA, immunoelectrophoresis. So correct answer is option B. Western blot is specific in diagnosis of AIDS. First of all, AIDS is checked by screening test, that is ELISA, and if ELISA test is positive for HIV infection, then Western blot is used for diagnosis of HIV. Question number 222. The interval period between HIV infection and appearance of antibodies in the serum is called intrinsic period, incubation period, window period, or none of these. So correct answer is option C. The interval of time between the HIV infection and appearance of antibodies within the serum is known as window period. Question number 23. Screening test for AIDS is Western blot test, ELISA test, both A and B, VDRL test. So correct answer is option B. ELISA test is a screening test for detection of HIV infection. Question number 224. Confirmatory test for AIDS is Western blot test, ELISA test, Corpus test, Fugerbio test. So correct answer is option A. Confirmatory test for AIDS is Western blot test. Question number 225. The most common infection in AIDS is LGV, CMV, Pneumocystis carinii, syphilis. So correct answer is option C. Pneumocystis carinii, which causes the pneumonia in case of AIDS infected patients. Question number 226. During AIDS, HIV infects CD3 lymphocytes, CD4 lymphocytes, CD2 lymphocytes, B lymphocytes. So correct answer is option B. During AIDS, HIV virus infects the CD4 lymphocytes or helper T lymphocytes. Question number 227. Lab diagnosis of leishmaniasis is done by CFT, peripheral smear, or blood culture. All of these. So correct answer is option D. Lab diagnosis of leishmaniasis can be done by all of these. Question number 228. Those fungi which do not have a sexual stage are classified as phycomycetes, ascomycetes, basidiomycetes, or fungi imperfectis. So correct answer is option D. Imperfect fungi, which is the class of fungi known as deuteromycetes. They don't have sexual stage in life cycle. Question number 229. Tinea capitis is a ringworm of foot, ringworm of scalp, or ringworm of non-hairy skin of body, both A and C. So correct answer is option C. Tinea capitis causes skin infection or ringworm of non-hairy skin of body. Question number 230. The diagnosis of bacterial disease can be made by finding bacteria in pathological fluids and similarly by isolation of bacteria by culture from the exudates or the blood. So correct answer is option C, both A and B. Question number 231. Staphylococcus aureus are characterized by formation of acid in sucrose dextrose solution, liquefaction of gelatin due to production of gelatinase, or strains are catalase positive. All of the above, none of these. So correct answer is option C. Staphylococcus aureus strains are catalase positive. Similarly, they are also coagulase positive. Question number 232. Cholera occurs in endemic form, epidemic form, sporadic form, all of these, none of these. So correct answer is option D. Cholera occur in endemic, similarly in epidemic and sporadic forms. Question number 233. Endemic typhus is caused by Rickettsia moseri, Rickettsia quintana, Rickettsia provazeki, any of them. So correct answer is option A. Endemic typhus is caused by Rickettsia moseri, or it is nowadays known as Rickettsia typhi, while the epidemic typhus is caused by Rickettsia provazeki. Question number 234. A man is usually infected for typhus by inhaling the infected dust. So correct answer is option C. And these infected dust contain Rickettsia typhi. Question number 235. In gram-positive bacteria, the ratio of RNA to the DNA is 8:1. So correct answer is option A. Question number 236. The ZL-Nelson stain is a simple stain, counter stain, differential stain, none of them. So correct answer is option C. ZL-Nelson stain is a differential stain that is used to stain the mycobacteria.